Hi everyone, welcome back to my vet journey. So finally the VCI has announced round 1 result of VCI Counselling 2024, that is All India Veterinary Counselling. So round 1 result has been released on the official website. So let's quickly see what is the cutoff of round 1 for various categories. That means the last rank at which government veterinary college is allotted to various category students. So category wise we'll see what is the last rank at which government veterinary college is allotted in round 1. So starting with the general category. So the last All India rank at which Government Veterinary College allotted to general category student is 77,654. So this is the last All India rank at which Government Veterinary College allotted in round 1. Next, coming to OBC category. So last All India rank at which Government Veterinary College allotted to OBC category student is 81,231. Next, coming to EWS category. So the last All India rank at which Government Veterinary College allotted to EWS category student is 87,849. Next, coming to SC category. So it is 2,07,420. This is the All India rank. And if we talk about ST category cutoff, so in round 1, it is 2,61,342. This is the All India rank. For OBC PWD category, so PWD is person with disability, okay. So the last All India rank at which Government Veterinary College allotted to this category is 13,86,421. So this is the All India rank. And for Open PWD category, it is 9,39,972. This is the All India rank. Now if we compare this cutoff with previous year, that is 2023 VCI Counselling round 1 cutoff, then this time the cutoff went higher than the previous one. So it is expected that the cutoff of this year for upcoming rounds will be higher than that of the previous year rounds. And yes, if you have applied for this year counselling and you got college in round 1, then do let us know in the comment section what is your rank and what college you got in round 1, so that the other people who are applying, they will get an idea. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Upcoming videos will mainly focus on VCI counselling, so stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.